Hello YouTubers. So I bought this amazing mouse from the Geek app. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. What is that noise? Is it broke already? What? I paid so much for this. A whole $2. Oh no, this is not good. What is that noise? Oh, there we go. Oh, very cool. It takes AAA batteries. Oh, that is cool. And it looks like it might light up. Oh, that's the mouse thingy. Okay, we're good. Okay, oh, there we have the mouse. Okay, for the, oh, very cool. It's hidden. Oh, okay, we have reset button over here and on off here. Okay, we are in business. Very good. Now let's stick the batteries in here. Very cool. Okay. Oh, it lights up. Oh, that is awesome. Oh, I must have it on already. Oh, shoot. Okay. Okay, now we're in business. Look at that. That is beautiful. Okay, let's connect it to the computer here. Uh-huh. Very good. Okay, YouTubers, we're going back into business. Let's see if we can connect my mouse. Okay. Okay, we're going to be connecting soon. So let's see. That's so cool. The blue light. Oh, that is so cool. Okay, now I see the mouses. Okay. Okay, it looks like